Good morning students, how are you? Today I am going to teach you about pronouns. Before knowing about pronouns, you should know about nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are the name of the person, place, animal or thing, isn't it? But when we use another word in place of nouns, they are called pronouns. And why do we use pronouns? We use pronouns to avoid the repetitions of noun. Suppose there is a sentence, Ram is my friend, Ram is going to school, Ram is my brother. So I am using Ram again and again in this sentence. So to avoid this word Ram, what the word we will use, that is called pronoun. What we will say? We will say Ram is a boy, he is my brother, and he is going to school. So we are using word he in place of pronoun. So these are called pronoun. We are using he in place of noun. What is a noun? That is Ram. So we are using he in place of Ram. That's why it is called pronoun. So there are so many pronouns are there, like he, she, it, they, her, their. They are all called pronoun. We use he for the male person, she for the female, they for the plural number, and it for the non-living thing. Know about more. Let us know about more pronouns. Okay. Kinds of pronoun. First is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. Where do we use personal pronoun? Kinds of pronoun. There are different kinds of pronoun. First of all, that is personal pronoun. Where do we use personal pronoun? Personal pronoun tells us about the male, female. It also makes clear singular, plural, and it also makes clear the objective case and subjective case. I have cleared it through some examples like I am your friend. I, it is first person and we are using it with am. Okay. It is showing singular. I is, मैं अपने बारे में बता रहा हूँ. I in it is personal pronoun. Second, she is also a personal pronoun. She is telling that it is singular number and it is a girl. He, personal pronoun. This pronoun is showing singular number as well as male figure. And they is showing plural number. Okay, so they are studying English. It shows that so many persons are there. It is my book. It is showing the non-living thing. So these are personal pronouns. And one more thing, when we are using two singular nouns, so we will use plural pronoun in place of two singular nouns. Suppose Samarth and Seema, these are two singular nouns. So that's why I have used here they. It is plural. Second example, girl. Girl is a female and singular number. I have used here she. So it means personal pronouns make clear the singular plural. They also makes clear male female and also makes clear living and non-living thing. And also clear subjective case and objective case. It is clear by through this example. Let us see. Personal pronouns change their forms when used as an object of the verb. When personal pronouns change as a object in a sentence, they change their forms. Let us see. Sam is the managing director of a hotel. Sam is a male person and is singular number. It is clear. His wife's name is Rima. Wife is a female and showing singular number. Now come to the next line. He drops. He is in subjective case. He is used for Sam. So he is in subjective case. Drops her. Her is here in objective case and it is used for wife Reena. Isn't it? यानी कि यहाँ पे जो हर है ये ऑब्जेक्टिव केस है. देखिए ही इज सब्जेक्ट, इसके बाद वर्ब देन ऑब्जेक्ट. ये हमारा फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द सेंटेंस होता है ना, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे हमने सब्जेक्ट ही, इट इज इन सब्जेक्टिव केस, ड्रॉप वर्ब देन हर इज इन ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. तो he drops her to the office every day. Now they is again in subjective case. Now I think Personal pronoun is clear to you? Okay, now come to the next slide. Next is possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns show the possession. They shows our ownership. Like his, hers, theirs, ours, yours, mine, its. This car is mine. Here mine is used in place of noun. Suppose कोई noun है, उसकी जगह हमने इसे mine को use किया है. तो this is a possessive. ये mine जो कर रहा है उसकी car. This car is mine. किसी person की car है, उसकी जगह हमने जो possessive pronoun है वो use किया है. Is this car yours? क्या ये car आपकी है? It means again yours is showing possessive pronoun, possession. आप जरा ध्यान से देखिए, इसमें hers में we have used s, theirs we have used s, ours again s, yours s, its s. यानी ये तो आपको क्लियर हो जाएंगे जिसमें भी s है, they are possessive pronoun. But how to make clear that his is in possessive pronoun or in possessive adjective, mine? Because sometimes these possessive pronouns also works as an adjective. But there is a difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Let us know how to differentiate between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. See the example. That wallet is his. It is possessive pronoun because it is using after the verb and also showing the possession of some person. किसी person की possession show कर रहा है. Now come to the next example. That is his wallet. अब यहाँ पे हमने wallet के सामने साथ I have used here his. It is possessive adjective because adjective also modify the noun. Here the noun is wallet. Wallet एक noun है. इसके साथ जो हमने his use किया, now it is modifying the word wallet. Wallet की quality बता रहा है. किसका wallet? His wallet. It is possessive adjective. यहाँ जो ऊपर जो his red वाला use हुआ है, इसके साथ कोई भी noun नहीं है. It is using in place of noun. Noun की जगह use किया है और adjective में noun के साथ use करते हैं, isn't it? Now come to the next example. My book is on the table. Here my is again possessive adjective because ये noun के साथ use हुआ है. It is using with noun. Joy left his bat on the table. Again his is a possessive adjective because it is using with the noun. And come to the last second example. The phone that is ringing is yours. It is possessive pronoun because there is no noun with it and it is using in place of noun. आप ध्यान रखिए, possessive pronouns are used in place of noun and possessive adjectives are used with noun. वो noun के साथ use होते हैं और ये noun की जगह use होते हैं, ठीक है? Now let us come to know another pronoun. That is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative का मतलब क्या होता है? Distribute करना, बांटना. नहीं सॉरी बेटा, डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव मीन्स पॉइंट आउट करना. किस चीज को हम पॉइंट आउट करते हैं फिंगर से, जैसे दैट, दोज, दीज, दिस, दीज आर हम पॉइंट आउट करते हैं. सो दैट एंड दिस आर यूज्ड विद सिंगुलर नंबर, दीज एंड दोज आर यूज्ड प्लूरल नंबर. हम जब किसी चीज को हम पॉइंट आउट करते हैं ना कि दोज आर ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर, दीज आर माय फ्रेंड्स एंड दिस इज माय बुक. तो these are demonstrative. Finger point out करके जो हम कहते हैं that is demonstrative. Those are sour grapes. Those word किसके लिए use हुआ है? These are used in place of grapes. Okay? तो ऐसे ही बेटा just like that demonstrative adjectives में भी these, that, those, these आता है. But what is the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun? Let us know. This house is mine. ये जो माइन है, दिस इज कौन सा प्रोनाउन है? ये अभी मैंने पढ़ाया थोड़ी देर पहले आपको. दिस इज possessive pronoun. एंड दिस हाउस, ये जो दिस है, दिस इज demonstrative adjective because it is using along with noun. house एक हमारा noun है, ये noun के साथ यूज हो रहा है. book is noun, it is using with noun. Blankets is noun, it is using with noun, so that's why these are demonstrative adjectives. But red mark wale, those are, they are using in place of noun, ये noun की जगह use हो रहे हैं. इसके बाद देखिए verb आ रही है, and here verb is after noun, so that is one more difference between demonstrative pronoun are along with verbs, and demonstrative adjectives are with noun. Okay, now let us come to the another slide, another kind of pronoun. This is interrogative pronouns. What are interrogative pronouns? When we ask some question and that are used in place of noun. जब हम कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं और वो नाउन की जगह होते हैं, जैसे who, what, why, whose, which, so many words are there. And जैसे who loves pie, pie किसको पसंद है, यानी it is a definitely कोई नाउन वर्ड होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. राम loves pie. Okay, you saw whom, you saw Ram, you saw a cow, यानी in place of noun. So which is heavier? Earth is heavier, my book is heavier. Okay, who won the race? The tortoise won the race. It means who, which, what, whom. These words are replacing noun. ये noun की जगह use हो रहे हैं. Just see the last example. Which route is the safest? Here is also which and here is also which is heavier. But what is the difference? In the last sentence, which is interrogative adjective, and which is heavier, here which is interrogative pronoun. What is the difference between these two which? Do you know? The difference is that here which is using along with noun. आपको पहले बताया था मैंने, ये हमारा, yes, which route is safest? Here which is using along with noun, so that's why it is a demonstrative adjective. Okay, now comes to the next pronoun, that is relative pronoun. Relative मतलब समझते हो? जोड़ना, जैसे हमारे रिलेशंस होते हैं, my brother, sisters, they are connecting us. Okay, so join two sentences and tell the relationship between things. These words are who, which, that, whom, whose. देखिए ये आपको वैसे लग तो interrogative pronoun रहे हैं, but they relate us with the another information. They join us with the other information. देखिए, just see the example. The girl, इसमें लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं होता है, और आपके इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क होता है. So the girl who is wearing a blue frock is my niece. Here the girl, ये जो girl है इसको rest of the information से जोड़ रहा है हमारा word who. Who is connecting this word, this phrase to this information. The girl, कौन सी girl? Who is wearing a blue frock, जिसने blue frock पहनी है. तो who is connecting, connector. The book that you took yesterday is mine. अब देखिए इसमें एक the book is mine, book मेरी है. कौन सी book? That you took yesterday. It means that is connecting the two information. वो book मेरी है जो तुम कल ले गए थे. Okay, my car which was hit by a truck. The car, कौन सी कार? Which was hit by a truck. ये information हमारी has gone for service. My car has gone for service which was hit by a truck. यानी दो information है जिसको जोड़ रहा है हमारा ये word which. Okay, जैसे देखिए my car has gone for service, मेरी कार सर्विस पे गई. ये कौन सी कार? Which was hit by a truck. Okay, अब फर्स्ट सेंटेंस देखिए, the girl is my niece. वो मेरी niece है. कौन सी? Who is wearing a blue frock. It means who, that, which. These words are the connectors. These are joining two informations. Okay, now come to the next slide. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun कौन से pronouns होते हैं? Which reflects upon the doer. Okay, action reflects upon the doer. जो action होता है वो doer के ऊपर यानी subject के ऊपर ही reflection करता है. आप मिरर देखते हो, शीशा, मिरर में क्या दिखाई देता है आपको? अपना फेस. बॉय है तो अगर सपोज कोई नाम है वैभव, वैभव अगर मिरर में देखेगा तो वैभव का रिफ्लेक्शन दिखाई देगा.
मम्मी अगर मिरर में देखती तो मम्मी को अपना ही रिफ्लेक्शन दिखेगा, मम्मी का ही रिफ्लेक्शन होगा। ओके, तो इट मीन इट रिफ्लेक्ट, जो हम देखते हैं वही हम जो देखता है उसी को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है। बॉय दिखेगा तो बॉय का रिफ्लेक्शन, गर्ल देखेंगे तो गर्ल का रिफ्लेक्शन, तो इट मीन इट दैट इज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन। And it is two types, singular and plural. With singular we use self, with plural we use selves. When action reverts back upon the subject, जो action होता है वो subject पर ही back attack करता है, subject को reflect करता है। देखिए example, Tim laughed at himself. इसमें himself is reflecting the Tim mirror, Tim face. Himself, this is used for Tim, यानी it reflects upon the doer. I का reflection क्या होगा? Myself. Tim is a boy, तो himself. अगर यहाँ पे होता शीला, तो शीला laughed at herself because शीला is a girl, तो शीला का herself. I cut myself, तो मेरा जो रिफ्लेक्शन होगा myself. We blame ourselves for the action. अब B is a plural number, so that's why I have used selves. जब हम मिरर में देखेंगे तो हमारा ही रिफ्लेक्शन होगा, तो B का रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन होगा ourselves. I fed myself the grapes, तो I का जो रिफ्लेक्शन होगा वो myself होगा, जब मैं शीशे में देखूंगा तो मेरा ही रिफ्लेक्शन होगा ना, तो this is called reflexive pronoun. प्लीज रिमेंबर इट वेरी केयरफुली, बिकॉज जो हमारा नेक्स्ट प्रोनाउन हो रहा है उसमें भी हम सेल्फ और सेल्व्स होगा विद अ लिटिल बिट डिफरेंस, इजंट इट? इसमें रिफ्लेक्शन शो करते हैं बेटा, जैसे हिमसेल्फ ये रिफ्लेक्शन है, टिम लाव्ड एट हिमसेल्फ, अपने ऊपर ही हंसा। आई हर्ट माई सेल्फ, मैंने अपने चोट मार ली। वी ब्लेम आवरसेल्फ, अपने को ही ब्लेम कर रहे हैं। ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। एम्पैथेटिक प्रोनाउन. Empathetic pronouns means it emphasizes on the particular noun or pronoun. Okay, it also ends in self and selvs. When the pronoun is singular we use self, when the pronoun is plural we use selves. Okay, yes, but one more thing, one difference is there कि it doesn't affect on the meaning of the sentence. ये जो हमारे empathetic pronouns है himself, themselves, herself, they if they we remove these words, अगर हम इन शब्द को हटा दें, there will be no change in the meaning of the sentence. Just see, he himself prepared his meal, उसने अपना खाना खुद बनाया. अब जरा himself को हम हटा के बोलते हैं he prepared his meal, no difference of the meaning. They themselves realized their mistakes, उन्हें अपनी गलती खुद realize हुई. अब just remove the word themselves, they realized their mistakes, no impact on the meaning of the sentence. It means they make pressure on the doer, जो make जो main subject होता है, whether it is noun or pronoun, they make emphasis, they make some impact, कुछ प्रेशर डालते हैं, दे मे ऑन द सब्जेक्ट, so that is called, it is called empathetic pronouns. Okay, there is no impact on the meaning of the sentence when we remove these words. Now come to the next slide. Next kinds of pronoun. Indefinite pronouns. What are the indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns refer to persons or things in general, not to specific. यानी कि ये जनरल में बात करते हैं, मतलब सभी के लिए, not to specific, किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के लिए नहीं. जैसे आपने indefinite past tense, indefinite present tense, where nothing is definite, कुछ confirm नहीं होता. When we are talking to general, हम जनरल में बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे टीचर्स बात करती है all the students. Okay, तो here all is indefinite pronoun, हमें नहीं पता किस बच्चे के बारे में बात हो रही है, सबके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम. ठीक है, तो we are not talking about a specific person, say someone, everyone, anybody, everybody, none, nobody, few, all. These are all indefinite pronouns because they are not pointing out a specific noun or subject. Like everyone had come to the party, party में सभी आए. We are not talking about a particular person कि राम आया, श्याम आया, रवि, कविता, कोई आया. No, it is not clear. We are not talking about particular person. I don't know anyone in this place. We are not talking about a particular person. We are talking anyone. कोई इस जगह को नहीं जानता. मैंने किसी का नाम नहीं लिया कि राम नहीं जानता, श्याम नहीं जानता. बस anyone, not definite. It is not definite कि who don't know the place. Anyone. ठीक है? Someone must have taken your bag. कोई तुम्हारा बैग ले गया है. It means it is not clear कि कौन तुम्हारा बैग ले. Someone. Not clear. Specific person is not there. Okay, that is indefinite pronoun when we are not talking about a specific person. We are talking in a general. Now come to the next pronoun. Distributed pronouns. Distributed pronouns. Distributed समझते हो? Distribution करना, किसी चीज को बांट देना. ठीक है? In a one time. जैसे क्लास में आप बर्थडे पे अपनी टॉफीज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हो ना कि मैम आई वांट टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट माय टॉफीज ऑन माय बर्थडे. तो दैट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, बांटना. आप क्लास में बांटते हो ना एक टाइम में. ठीक है? तो रेफर्स टू पर्सन्स और ऑब्जेक्ट वन एट अ टाइम सच एज ईदर, नीदर, ईच. इनमें हम एक टाइम में अलग अलग चीजों को बांटते हैं. जैसे एग्जांपल है पिज्जा का. सपोज देयर इज ए पिज्जा, आई कट इट इनटू 2 पार्ट्स और मैं बोलती इसको 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया और कहती हूँ यू कैन टेक ईदर ऑफ द पार्ट. आप इसमें से कोई भी एक पार्ट ले सकते. ईदर ऑफ द पार्ट, ईदर. ठीक है? कोई एक पार्ट ले सकते हो. यू विल नॉट गेट नीदर पार्ट ऑफ द पिज्जा. आपको कोई भी पिज्जा का पार्ट नहीं मिलेगा. यानी पिज्जा इज वन, ये ना ऑब्जेक्ट वन, पिज्जा इज वन. तो आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, तो यू विल नॉट गेट नीदर पार्ट ऑफ द पिज्जा. अब सपोज पिज्जा के मैंने 4 पीसेस करे, 1 2 3 4. ओके, और अब मैं कहती हूँ ईच ऑफ द बॉय विल गेट पीस ऑफ पिज्जा. ईच ऑफ द बॉय विल गेट द पीस ऑफ पिज्जा. यानी हर बच्चे को पिज्जा में से एक एक पीस मिलेगा. इट मीन्स आई एम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इट. ठीक है? एंड वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट distributed pronouns are used with prepositions. Each of, neither of, each of, they are used with prepositions. And the distributive adjectives are used with noun. Again noun आ गया देखो. ठीक है? So that's all from my side. I think pronouns are clear to you. Thank you very much. Happy learning.